Can you imagine waking up every morning peacefully and knowing that your business is working hard to provide you with the life you deserve, even when you're on vacation with your family or hanging out with friends? This business won't stop working and will continue to generate money in your account. It sounds incredible, doesn't it? However, the reality is that many people lead this lifestyle, living with peace of mind and enjoying the financial freedom that allows them to have the time and resources to enjoy life. That's why today, I want to help you find the ideal business that will operate without the need for your presence. I'm sure business number 10 will be right for you. So discover, develop, and turn it into your best friend in the business world. Today, we present to you the 13 businesses that operate on autopilot. Number 1. Charging stations for mobile phones, tablets, and laptops. One thing people hardly ever let go of these days is their mobile devices. However, the problem rises when the battery runs low and there's nowhere or no means to recharge them. A very profitable idea that you can automate and make a lot of money from is installing charging stations for any mobile device. You can even rent chargers for each type of device. The key to this business is to place them in strategic locations where many people may need your service. Number 2. Online store for digital products. Digital products and services are widely consumed today, and many people are taking advantage of this situation by creating online stores filled with digital products such as books, courses, templates, photos, music, and more. The best part is that once you develop your store and stock it with products, they will be sold automatically, allowing you to make money without any effort. Your only job will be to manage the store, deliver, and replenish the products you sell. Number 3. Automatic car wash. Hiring people to wash cars is no longer in style today. With the help of technology, you can create an automatic car wash system. This is possible due to the automation of all the processes involved, with washing being done by machines equipped with brushes, water jets, chemicals, and drying systems. Your car wash can offer a variety of services, from basic washes to premium cleaning packages. This can be an ideal business as it won't require your time and effort, and you'll simply receive money thanks to automation. Number 4. Modern bicycle rental. Dealing with traffic, getting some exercise, caring for the environment, or simply going for a breath of fresh air are some of the reasons why people choose to use bicycles. In many countries, this automated business has been implemented as a great opportunity to generate money. The entire service is done through an app with strategically located stations and an optical tracking sensor that allows people to securely unlock and rent a bicycle. If you're interested in implementing this business in your city, consider delving deeper into the subject as it's an excellent business option. Number 5. Affiliate product sales. If you're passionate about sales, this could be your business opportunity. In recent years, affiliate marketing has become a trend, and the best part of this business is that you don't need your own product. You can generate revenue through commissions for selling other people's products. One of the great benefits of this business is that you can sell thousands of products, meaning you can scale your earnings and reach levels you never imagined. A good idea to make it an automated business is to create your own online store and promote it on social media. Number 6. Vending machines. A business that few talk about but many profit from is vending machines. I'm talking about those machines where you insert a coin and it dispenses a product, whether it's toys, snacks, beverages, or even instant coffee. The fascinating part of this business is that it operates autonomously, allowing you to earn money effortlessly, as you only need to occasionally restock the machines or delegate that task to someone else. Number 7. Automated laundry. If the idea of running a business without your presence appeals to you, creating an automated laundry may be the most lucrative idea you can have. Many people don't have the time or dislike having to do their laundry, and you can solve this problem in exchange for money by offering a self-service that includes washing detergent and drying. Number 8. Amusement arcade machines. Ever wondered how much money the owners of coin-operated gaming machines, where kids and young people have fun in malls, make? We're talking about thousands of dollars, as depending on the location you choose, you'll have thousands of people visiting every day, and many will take some time to enjoy themselves as well. The best part is that you don't even need to be present since the business is automated. That's how you can also earn money if you develop this business idea. Number 9. Real estate rentals. This is a highly profitable and widely known automated business. Who wouldn't want to live off the rental income from apartments, houses, shops, or rooms? However, for this, you obviously need properties to rent. So this could be a business idea that not everyone may have the opportunity for at the moment. But don't dismiss it. Use the strategy that you can apply in your current situation, and in the future, invest in automated real estate rentals so that in the future you can enjoy the benefits and live with peace of mind. Number 10. Automated YouTube channels. If you're looking for a highly profitable idea that can generate income without the need for much hard work, creating automated YouTube channels can be the ideal business for you. Nowadays, thanks to artificial intelligence, it's possible to create scripts, images, or audio to produce videos and make money on the YouTube platform. Another option is to invest in a scriptwriter, an editor, and someone to record audio in order to create videos that continue to generate income over time. Number 11. Self-service gas station. Drivers are increasingly getting used to refueling their vehicles themselves. That's why the idea of setting up a self-service gas station is considered the automated business of the future. Some countries and locations already have this service, but if you know of a place that doesn't, it's a good opportunity for you to start. In addition, in your gas station, you can add vending machines, automatic car wash services, and many other automated businesses that can provide you with substantial profits. Number 12. Storage rental. You probably don't know what this business is about, but in some countries, it's more common than you might think. Storage rental involves offering space for people to store items that don't fit in their homes. The advantage of this business is that it doesn't require employees and operates based on access codes, so people can rent the space. Number 13. Create and sell online courses. If you have knowledge in a specific area, you can turn it into a course and sell it online. But if you don't have the necessary knowledge to create a course, you can hire someone you know to create it and share a small portion of the profits with them. This is a great business that will provide you with passive income every month. Additionally, since it's online, you'll need to create a website and host the course there so interested people can access and purchase it. If you have the resources to invest, simply promote it and drive traffic to your site. Additionally, while automation can make income generation easier, the reality is that behind every business, there are always important aspects to consider. So it's important to be aware and research everything about the idea you want to develop. Only then will you achieve the desired results. Leave in the comments which of these ideas interest you the most, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to not miss new videos that can change your life. See you in the next video. Goodbye.